Welcome back, guys. This is HEG. Hey guys, so today is a pretty exciting day because we are getting internet today. Yay! We are getting a Togo thing. I don't know. Sky is installing it and hopefully it's good.
I'm going to drill a hole up, right, go up top, open the hole down, come down, and then I'll drill a hole in this wall right here to get into the into that space between the walls, which is about like that. Well, and then I'll just fish it straight down to the floor, tie into the switch. Y'all don't listen, okay?
Don't listen.
You don't listen. If you left it powered in the van, you'll be able to see that Wi-Fi signal, and you'd have internet as you're traveling.
We wouldn't get lost because our GPS system. For real, because that.
No, but
well, I had thought about. I was wondering about being able to run it.
You would have to leave your 12-volt.
You'd have to have it on.
Power on in here.
So, would you recommend installing it yourself, or do you think it's better to go through somebody who installs it?
This?
Yeah, like the whole system.
Well, what I'm gonna have done here in another hour or so, your dad would work all day on.
Confidence.
So,
I like that.
He can do it. He can. I tell people, I told you, it's not brain surgery. Your dad does it. He goes, well, let's see, I can't do it here on the slide. When the slide's in, nobody will see the wire. So, and then when we run the slide out, we just tuck that wire down here. And then it has to drape across to there.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
Today we are headed into Charlotte. We are going to go to IKEA and Costco and most importantly Chewy's because they have a Chewy's in Charlotte.
And we love Chewy's.
Alright, we just got to IKEA and now we're gonna go inside. We've never bought anything from IKEA, so not exactly 100% sure how, I guess. So I guess we'll figure that out. So that has stuff.
Wait. Okay, that's we want to go in there, right? Because there's some storage probably. No. And then do you like decide? Like, do you buy it from in there? Okay, I don't know. Figure it out.
Well, there's some of these.
I don't like about the block.
An old ages.
That's an old ages clock?
An old clock.
Oh. We are getting this cute little candle for Kylie. Here, smell it. I say black.
Okay, if you want black, raise your hand.
Wait, what?
Majority.
Like neck and brush.
People are here. Alright, we just finished at IKEA and we bought 4 stools, some storage containers, and a candle.
You had the day before yesterday. fun. Get my lantern and get my gun. Red will have a tree for the morning comes. Old Red gets real used to seeing. He's a lady every night. And so I kept him away for 3 or 4 days and waited till the time got it right.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Amy's AT&T live at 6:10 at the holiday Christmas light on the lake, on the river thing.
Here, well, look at these.
Okay, so we have just been given our pamphlet. Here we go. Holiday lights on the river.
Hold on.
South Carolina in Columbia.
The Midlands.
This is what we're doing.
That's Christmas.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. We know time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late. Come on in, come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2,
Okay guys, so we are done with the Christmas, the holiday on the lights. Oh wait, the holiday lights on the river.
But we didn't see all.
And it is, what time is it? It is almost 8 o'clock and we stopped for dinner. So we will eat that and then head home, unload all the stuff we got today, and get ready to move tomorrow because we are going to Georgia.
How much hours is that away?
I think it's about 2.5 or 3. Pretty normal travel day, but we will be going to a different state. So that's always exciting. So now we're eating dinner and then we'll head home, get everything unpacked, and go to sleep.
There you go.